Hello, I'm Dews, your installation guide. I will be walking you out of the dark and into the light. Okay, well that was cheesy. I'll basically be going over Rubbermaid's wire closet installation. I will be covering things like the tools you'll need, and I'll be helping you get familiar with the product and installation hardware. And finally, we will be talking about proper installation guidelines.
Hey!
Oh, what do you want?
Are you not gonna introduce me?
Well, I wasn't. This is Don'ts. Get it now? He will be showing us what not to do.
Why you gotta do me like that? All my ideas ain't bad.
Hey, Don'ts. Can you go get me a closet stretcher? It's in the back room in the basement.
Does this mean I get to help?
Sure does. Now that he's gone, we can get to work. Behind me, you'll see a list of tools that you will need, and they are a drill, tape measure, torpedo and 2-foot standard level, a 1/4-inch drill bit, Phillips screw bit, hammer, pliers, pencil, and a stud finder. Now that you have located your tools that you will need, let's start and go over the
Hey, I can't find the stairs to the basement.
They're in the back room over there.
Oh, okay. I'll be right back.
Behind me, you should see a list of hardware items that you may need to complete your closet install. In this list, there are several very specific items, such as joiners, shelf supports, wall anchors, back clips, and so much more. For a full list of items and their descriptions, we have provided you a QR code to scan. This will also appear at the end of this video. Now, on to the installation process. What are you doing? Did you find the closet stretcher?
Look, we both know there's no such thing as a closet stretcher. There's no basement neither, is there?
No, sorry. That was just a prank.
Well, can I tell them how to install this shelf? Please?
Okay, but don't mess this up. It's important.
Awesome. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to drill a bunch of holes and then put the plugs in something and then you want to hang it on the wall and then you have a shelf done. Right?
And you wonder why we call you Don'ts. Can you please just leave so I can teach them how to install a closet? Let's show you the right way to install a shelf. The shelf we're going to install today is open end to open end. Mark 2.5 inches from the end of desired shelf location. Using a level, make a mark on the back wall, no more than every 12 inches. Stop 2.5 inches from the end of the shelf. Using a 1/4-inch drill bit, drill holes in all of the marks. Install the back clips by pushing them flush to the wall. Set the drive pins. Note, all hardware must be flush to the wall. Set the shelf into the back clips and snap down the pin covers on back clips. Using a torpedo level, raise the shelf to level position from front to back. On one end, install a support brace 1 inch from the end of the shelf. Hook the prongs of the brace over the top front wire of the shelf underside. With the shelf level, position the bottom of the brace on the wall. Locate and drill the hole. Install wall anchor through the brace into the wall. Set the pin with a hammer. If the distance is 36 inches or more between the support braces, install another support brace in the center. Install 2 back clips 1 inch apart, or 1 all-purpose clamp at each end if a stud is present, and 1 inch and 2 inch from each end of the shelf. For extra holding power, the manufacturer highly recommends that an all-purpose clamp be used to secure the shelf to the back wall. I hope this has been helpful to learn more about the wire shelving installation. Please come back for more tips and other installation training on different shelving types. And as promised, here's the QR code you can scan and print for your installation reference guide.